Hey guys, it's Sam from Scrubs and we've got another car in this week. We're doing a full car gloss PPF on this BMW X5. We're doing interior protection and wheel ceramic faces as well. Let's jump back a couple of days where the car was dropped off.
Let's go!
Every vehicle that we receive, no matter if it's a Ford or a Ferrari, all receive the same detailed prep. Our wash process includes a full hand car wash, extensive pressure washing to disrupt any debris that's going to be on the edges, and finally a thorough clay bar to remove basically all the contamination from the paint. Once this is completely dry, now we move it into our dust controlled, climate controlled booth. So once the car's in the booth, this is when we're going to disassemble the vehicle. This basically means we can remove these parts to clean and wrap the edges behind the stuff. So we're going to be removing the door handles, mirrors, badges, and window trim. A lot of other shops won't do this, but we prefer to do this because it just gets a seamless result every time. When it comes to PPF, the majority of modern vehicles are cut using a machine called a plotter. This allows us to precisely cut the panels perfect every time. All the film is cut and ready to go. We're going to prep the vehicle one last time before we install. This includes a final clay bar to remove any contaminants left behind. We're going to use an air compressor to blast any dirt out from the edges and the seals, and finally using isopropyl alcohol to clean any waxes and oils that might be left over on the paint.
I feel like I'm at the tippy top of my game, looking down at the rafters. I had to sun these boys, can't leave them bastards. A lot of dudes, just some undercover actress. I don't fall for it, I'm privy to all your tactics. Yeah, so chop.
Door cups on this particular vehicle are quite deep, which means it will require a lot of stretch and feeding the material in to avoid it popping in the future. Although we might get some slight distortion here, the result looks considerably cleaner than having a large join behind the handle.
Making a statement, damn baby, why your mans keep hating? You asking about the cake, you here for the celebrations? And I ain't fishing, I ain't really into baiting. I know that.
So we're on day 2 of this BMW X5 full gloss PPF. Yesterday we managed to do the prep, cut, disassemble and install 4 doors. Today we're going to be working on the front and rear bar and also the bonnet. So let's get straight into it. Front bumpers require a decent amount of stretch to get the film to cover completely. So extending the pattern earlier on the front bar was very crucial as it allows a seamless install every time. This bonnet is quite large as well, so we're going to need a bit of stretch downwards to get this 100% covered. It got there in the end and looks incredible. Door jambs are an optional extra that we offer. So if you're after some protection but not the full vehicle, getting door jambs is a really popular option. It's going to stop the damage and scratches happening in those high traffic areas. Alright guys, so the outside's all done now. We're moving into the interior. We're going to do gloss PPF on all of the wood grain. It's going to help protect the interior wood grain. It's quite nice, so the customer wants to keep it looking good for a long time, so let's get into it.
I can never doubt myself, I know better. All of you critics be acting like you know better. Blowing the smoke, but I know when the dust settles. Said I'm in my element, it's evident that there's levels to the game. All of those dark nights I got then, breaking my back to make it out, got me feeling like rain. I ain't never need your help, I know you wishing me well. A penny for your thoughts, but seeing no change. I snap for the sun like Diddy. The riches got a mad ass son, I'm like Billy.
Applying ceramic to the wheel faces are a common optional extra that we offer. This will help when cleaning that pesky brake dust that builds up over time. And now we're ready to see the car fully protected.
You know, I'm in the zone. Give me the throne. One shot, that's all that you got. That's all that I know. Foot on the gas, 155 on the road. You could be a friend of me, an enemy. Keep that same old energy, cause I know I'm in my element, ooh, yeah. I'm in my element, ooh, yeah. I'm in my element, I'm in my element, ooh, yeah.
Alright guys, so this BMW X5 is all done with full car gloss PPF. We've got the wheel ceramic face coating. We've got the interior PPF done. The customer will be picking this car up shortly. So if you have a car as well and you want to get it done, be sure to head over to Scrubs Car Detailing. And if you've got a question about ceramic, detailing, PPF, make sure you leave it in the comments below. We'll be happy to answer anything. Other than that guys, we'll see you in the next one. Enjoy.
No, it's a rap, never waistlines, and I'm cutting the weight like a tummy tuck. That mean I'm about to give it out right now. You see what's coming down the line, I never pipe down. I give 100